Hello everyone, how are you all doing? And a very warm welcome to you all in the first day of our 30 most important point or most influential points workshop. Okay, it is also called as VIP points. From today we will be starting that. Okay, so that is from the 1st of May till the 5th of May. Okay, 5 days workshop it is, and you will receive daily videos of it before 9 p.m. IST. Okay, which is Indian time. Okay, before 9 p.m. daily you'll receive one video of each day. Okay, so let us start with this. So let us know the location of our first point, which is MIP1. So the point location is 3 fingers away from our wrist joint. Okay, exactly in the center is this point over here. Okay, see, this is the point location, 3 fingers away from the wrist joint. Just below that, exactly in the center where our small fingers tip is there. Okay, exactly in the center is this point over here. Okay, this point is called as MIP1. Let us know the benefits of this MIP1 point. Okay, this point is useful for if you are having like acid reflux, acidity, okay, or gas problem. Like acid reflux, as in if you have eaten just your food an hour before or something, and the food is coming back again towards your throat and your mouth, and you are feeling the taste again of the food or something, then this point will help you for that. And if you are having like nausea problem, vomiting problem, or travel sickness, especially for travel sickness, this point is very fabulous for that. Like you are not able to sit for much longer hours in train, bus, or like air like flights. Okay, or if I can say is like in your car or anything like that. Okay, and you are not able to sit many for much time, as in you feel like throwing up, or you feel like vomiting, nauseous if you feel, then this point is very good for that. Then if you are having any kind of like, this point is especially best to improve your digestion. So if you are feeling indigestion, or if you want to increase your digestion level, then do this point. Okay, and then this also improves your heart health. It makes your heart strong. Then it also helps to strengthen your heart. It also helps to improve your circulation and overall your body. Okay, overall body circulation. If your circulation is improved, you will not have issues, or if you will not feel issues of low blood pressure. It also is a good point for like meditation. Okay, if you want to meditate properly, then do this point. Like, it improves your will to meditate. It inspires you to see within yourself, and while you are seeing within yourself, you improve your self bond. Okay, then this point also helps to like improve your relationships. As your self bond will be increased, you will be at your best. Then you will have patience. Then you will have what we can say it is as like, you will have patience. You will have also, you will feel like what we can say, if you are aggressive, okay, then you will feel this calmness within yourself, and you will be able to deal with people. So like, it will also increase your relationship with others, like your family, your co-workers, or anything like that. Then it will improve your relationship with them. It is a great point to overcome emotional shock. It also helps to calm our body and mind. It is also a best point to balance our Vata, Pitta and Kapha. With these are the three doshas of Ayurveda. Okay. It strengthens our chest area, and in females, if they are having hormonal imbalance, then this point will also help to balance their hormones. This point also helps to improve your hemoglobin levels. So how we need to press this point? I'll just let you know. Okay, so while pressing, like see, this is the 3 fingers away from the point, is 3 fingers away from the wrist joint, exactly in the center. Okay, so you need to always measure with your own hands. Okay, if you are seeing a patient, or if you are saying someone else to do this point, okay, then please say them like, please measure with your own hands. okay, because the point's location may be like differ according to like length of their hands and something like that, okay. So like press this point, like this is the point location. We'll press it for 30 seconds to 1 minute. We will press this point if you are having any kind of problems which I have stated, okay. If you are having any kind of that problem, then we'll press this point for 2 to 3 times a day for 1 minute each, okay. And if you are not having any kind of such problem, then we'll press and release, press and release, press and release, press and release for 8 to 10 times, not more than that. Like if you are doing it for prevention, or if you want just for being healthy, okay, you can do this point. So we will press it for 8 to 10 times a day. This point is bilateral, that means it comes on both the hand, okay. Let us see the location of MIP2. See, this is our wrist joint, okay. One finger below the wrist joint towards our small finger side is this point, okay. One finger below the wrist joint towards our small finger side is this point. This point is also bilateral, that means it is on both the hands, okay. Let us talk about like importance of this point or uses of this point. So if you are feeling any kind of like nervousness, if you feel nervousness, if you feel stage fear, or if you are if you feel fear while talking to a group of people, or if you are having phobia kind of, okay, like you are very much shy, you are very much nervous kind of person, okay, you cannot speak within a group of people, or you have fear while doing your vocal exams, giving your vocal exams like Viva or something, okay. Or if you are having problem of what we can say more is like public fear, exam fear, stage fear, then this point will help for you for that. Then if someone is having issues like they are too much emotional, they cry in small things, okay, they start to cry, or they are like they feel angry very easily, they get angry very easily, any kind of such issues, you can use this point, okay. Then this point makes our heart strong. If someone is having stammering problem, or because of paralysis their voice has suddenly gone, okay, they have lost their voice suddenly, then this point will help them. Or because of any other reason they have like lost their voice, or they are having any kind of voice issues, like in females they are having too manly voice, or in males they are having like a female voice kind of, a very sweet voice kind of. Or if any like if anyone is a singer and he wants to improve his voice levels, then this point will help. And if someone is an anchor, okay, a TV host, an anchor, and if he wants to like do get that strong voice and motivational speaker, he wants like a voice which can control people, which can like what we can say is like attract people, then that if you want that kind of voice, then press this point. If someone is having low heartbeat, then also you can use this point. If your heart is strong, then your all other organs will also receive like good amount of blood, a proper amount of blood, the circulation will be really good, okay. So if you want to improve your circulation, then also you can use this point. This point is also bilateral, that means it is on both the hands. How you need to press it, like press and release, press and release, press and release. For if you are having any this kind of problem, then you will press it like 1 minute, twice or thrice a day. And if you are not having any such kind of problem, we'll just press it 8 to 10 times within one time a day, like, okay. Let's now go for MIP3. At this location, this point is MIP3. The location of the point is 2 fingers away from the wrist joint. Just below that is this point towards the thumb side, okay. Towards the thumb side, not on the small finger side, but towards the thumb side over here, okay. So uses of this point, let us see. This point is very best point for any kind of cervical issues, neck issues, like especially if you are having stiffness in neck, okay. Like you are seated, like you are sitting like more hours, you are watching your phone, or we are like on our computers or laptops because of work, okay, we are on that. or we are watching television like for more amount, and like we get pain over here, we get stiffness over here, and we are not able to move our neck like this very flexibly, then this point is very helpful for you all, as it improves the flexibility of our neck. So do this point if you are feeling like stiffness in your neck. Then you can also use this point if you are like feeling a weak immunity, if you have weak immunity, as this point strengthens our immunity. Especially like if you feel a problem like you eat something cold, okay, anything, if you are eating cold and you feel sore throat problem, or if you get tonsil problem very easily, or if you go to a cold place, and you get sneezing very easily, you start to sneeze, okay, or like any this kind of problem, or you get asthmatic attack very easily in that situation, then this point is very good for you. If you are having shoulder pain, if you are having frozen shoulder, then also this point will be helpful. Or if you are having diabetes and because of that you are having like burning in your hands, in your palm, or burning in your feet of leg, like you are having pain, if you are like they are feeling like hot, okay, so this point will be very helpful in that situation. If someone is having low grade fever, that means like till afternoon you are very normal, very comfortable. After like 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, you start to get fever, okay, and that doesn't go like above 100 degrees Celsius, it stays between 100 degrees Celsius or 99, 98, something like that, then this point will be very good for that. Like every time you feel sore throat problem, you get very easily your throat gets like what we can say problematic, then this point is very good for you. If you are having chest congestion problem, then also you can use this point. You do not feel a problem while taking in a deep breath, but while leaving breath out, okay, like breathing out, you feel a kind of problem, you're not able to breathe out properly, then this point will help. And in old age, especially in old age, if someone is feeling constipation, or they are having they are not able to pass their stool properly, the stool is very hard, then this point is very good for them, as this point is like nourishes our large intestine, and it also improves to remove the dryness in the large intestine. It clears our respiratory tract, and it also strengthens them. It also gives strength to our lungs to contract and expand. If in females they are having breast lumps problem, then also this point will be very helpful for them. And if like any female wants to get prevention from that, okay, like I do not want to have breast lumps, I do not want to have this kind of issues, then you can already use it, you can start using it from now. Like this point will prevent you from breast lumps also. So that is MIP 3 for you all. Let's learn about MIP 4 now. I hope you are enjoying this sessions. Please let me know in the comment box like you are enjoying it, and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And please help us to reach more and more people, as our aim is only to like what we can say is to aware people, like without medicines also you can deal with yourself, you can heal yourself on your own, okay, there is no much cost needed to like heal yourself. You can also do it in like a bit less amount of money, or totally like in zero charge, okay. So please help us to reach more people, and to aware people, and to aware more people about acupressure, okay. Please help us to reach more people, and do subscribe to our channel. So okay, MIP 4 location. Let us see the location of MIP 4 on the back side of our wrist joint, okay, like 2 fingers away from the wrist joint, exactly in the center is this point, okay. Let me mark and show you. See, 2 fingers away from the wrist joint, exactly in the center is this point. This point is called as MIP 4. I'm so sorry, like I'm not able to show you properly because the color is fading over here. you can see the photo. Okay, MIP4, this is the location. 2 fingers below the wrist joint, exactly in the center is this point. This is on the back side of our hand. We have discussed on the front side of our hand points. Now let us talk about the uses of this point. This point helps to remove toxins from our overall body. It also helps to remove toxins from our lymphatic glands. If you are having any kind of ear problem, like if you are having a tinnitus problem, like something is like ringing in your ear, like ting 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 ting, tung 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 tung, any kind of voice you are feeling, or if something is coming out of your ear like pus or something, white substance kind of, then you can use this point. If you are having Meniere syndrome, like and with your ear pain, you are feeling vertigo also, headache, dizziness, okay, or if you are feeling deafness, okay, because of any kind, you are like listening is getting slow kind of, then this point will help you for that. It also maintains our blood thickness. Like if your blood is like too much thin, okay, like too much liquidy kind of, then we'll have low platelet count in our body, and we can have a problem like brain hemorrhage kind of. And if like the blood is too much thick, then there will be problems of blood clot, blockages kind of thing, like deep vein thrombosis or heart blockage, brain clot, etc. That kind of issues can be caused. Okay, so maintaining our blood, maintaining the thickness of the blood, like normal blood conditions in our body, then this point will help for you for that. If someone is having migraine headache, okay, and especially in females, if they are having migraine in this temporal area, then this will be a very good point for that. Then it also covers like a whole lateral side of our body, whole left side of the body, it covers that. So if you are having any kind of problem in the lateral side of your body, then you can use this point. Point helps to open any kind of blockage in your body. If you are having any kind of blockage in your body, then do this point daily. How much time you will do it? You will do it like 1 minute 2 to 3 times a day. Okay, like if you are having any kind of problem I have discussed above, then you will press this point 2 to 3 times a day, like for how much minute? 1 minute each. And if you are not having any kind of issues and you are doing it for prevention, okay, like you are maintaining your thickness of the blood, okay, then you can do this point like 8 to 10 times. You will press this point, press properly, release, press properly, release, press, hold, release, press, hold, release. In this form you will press it for 8 to 10 times once a day. Okay, so this was MIP4. Let us discuss MIP5 now. So this point, let us see the location. First I will discuss, then I will mark you and show it. Okay, on the back side of our hand, between our middle finger and ring finger. If we go straight ahead, especially towards if the ring finger, if we go, okay, then you can see this knuckle over here. Just on the back side of the knuckle over here, this is the location of the point. I'll just mark it and show you. I hope you can see it. Yeah, this is the knuckle end. Okay, just back side of the knuckle is this point. Okay, this is the location of MIP5. You can see it more clearly on the picture. Let us talk the uses of this point. This point specially increases or strengthens our pituitary gland, okay, which is the master gland of our body. It helps to stimulate it. It also helps like its work efficiency, to increase its work efficiency, to increase the pituitary gland's work efficiency. This point is very helpful. This point also helps to increase or to activate your pineal gland and your pituitary gland. So if you are having any kind of hormonal issues in your body, then you can use this point, especially in females if they are having PCOD, PCOS issues, or thyroid issues in males also, okay, thyroid issues, or if they are having issues like in males they are having hormonal issues, or like they are having issues like they are not able to increase their height, like in males they are not able to grow their beard or something, then this point will be very helpful for them. It nourishes our five senses. Which are our five senses? That are mouth, like which we eat, like taste, okay, then ear to hear things, to listen things, eyes to see, okay, nose to smell, and our skin to feel. Okay, these are our five senses. It helps to nourish them. It helps to increase height, as I said earlier. Like if you are having hair fall, or if you want to grow your hairs, then this point will be very good. And if you feel like if you are having problem, or if you feel like premature hair growing problem, or if you want that your hair should stay the natural color for longer time, then this point will be very helpful for you all. If your bones are weak, or if you want to increase your strength of your bones, then also you can use this point. This was MIP 5. Let us know next about MIP 6 point. Okay, now next point. This was the point on the middle and ring. Sorry, ring and last finger. Okay, now this point will be between index and middle. Okay, same location on the back side of the knuckle. Okay, of the index finger's knuckle on the back side over here. This is the location of MIP 6. This was MIP 5, which was between our ring finger and our small finger, towards ring finger side on the back side of the knuckle, and our MIP 6 will be between our index and middle finger on the back side of the knuckle. Okay, over here. This is the point. This is MIP 6. Let us see the uses. If you are not able to clearly locate the point, please check the photos up, okay, like above which I have shared. Please check that photos. This point helps to strengthen our nervous system. It maintains, or it strengthens our nerves. It is also a good point to strengthen our brain and spine. You can also use it as a preventive treatment for any kind of like back problem, spine problem, nerve problem, neurological problem. Okay, like you can use it for prevention or precaution thing. If someone is having senile dementia, okay, I'm so sorry, if someone is having senile dementia, that is with age they tend to forget things, then this point is very good for them. Or if someone is having general forgetfulness, then also this point will be very good for them. Any kind of brain disorders like insomnia, stress, anxiety, negative thinking, especially for that. Or if someone is having negative thinking, depression, okay, or paralysis problem, then also this point will be very good for them. If your brain is working properly, then your whole five senses will also work properly. Or if you are having numbness or tingling problem, then also this point will be very good for you all. So this was our MIP 6. How you will press it? You will press it in the same way. If you are having any kind of issues I have mentioned above, then you will press this point like this, release, press, hold, release, press, hold, release. In this manner, 1 minute, like twice or thrice a day. Okay. Or if you are not having this any kind of problem and you are just doing it for precaution, prevention type, then you will press it for 8 times. Press, hold, release. Press, hold, release. In this format for 8 to 10 times a day. Okay. So this was our day 1 of the most influential points workshop. I hope if you have liked this video, and I hope you will be liking this knowledge. Please let me know if you are like enjoying these videos. And please do share this with people who are needy and who can use this information. Thank you so much everyone. That's all for the day.